My name is Johannes Batista Ardito. On this occasion, I will present about betta fish. Here are some outlines of what I will present in my presentation. Let's check it out. The first is what is the betta fish? The second, where they live? The third, the kinds of betta fish. The fourth, what is the most expensive betta fish? The fifth, when is the right time to feed betta fish? The sixth, who was the first to breed betta fish? And the first part, what is betta fish? Betta fish is a freshwater fish whose native habitat is in several countries in Southeast Asia, including Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, Brunei Darussalam, Singapore, and Vietnam. This fish has a unique shape, character, and tends to be aggressive in defending its territory. Among fans, betta fish are generally divided into three groups, namely ornamental bettas, complaint bettas, and wild bettas. In Indonesia, there are native bettas on which is Betta concrinus, which is found in Pampang, it's Kalimantan. Betta fish, one of the strongest fish that can survive for a long time. So, that if the fish placed in a container with a small volume of water and without an air circulation device, this fish can still survive. The second part, where do they live? Habitat is a place to live where a bettas will be active throughout its life. In a suitable habitat, betta fish can grow and reproduce optimally. The suitable water characteristic and indicated by several parameters, such as water indicating pH, water temperature, and hardness. In nature, bettas are found in tropical climates and live in rivers, swamps, rice fields, and other shallow freshwater. You can imagine the calm and shady habitat of the natural betta will be easily found in areas that are overgrown with trees. If measurements are taken generally, water like this have several characteristics, namely pH 6.5 until 7.5, water hardness ranging from 5 until 12 dH, and water temperature 24 until 30 Celsius. These have an additional breathing apparatus called a labyrinth. With the labyrinth, betta fish can take in and store more oxygen. Therefore, these betta fish are able to live in relatively calm and oxygen-poor water. Understandably, calm water tend to have low levels of dissolved oxygen because the water don't flow. The flowing waters tend to split its surface easily so that air, oxygen can easily enter the water body. And the third part, what are types of betta fish? Technically, shellfish are of the same species, but there are many variations in the shape of shells, both of the shape and size of the tail, fins, color, as well as places in the body. Therefore, identify the types of ornamental shells that have an attractive appearance that are suitable for maintenance, especially for the maintenance of the aquarium, because the body shape and color of the fish are very attractive and full color that are suitable to be maintained. And the second type is betta fish fighter. This one betta fish is different from other betta fish, which have striking color. Fighting betta fish are specially specialized to fight with color patterns on their body that are not too flashy, usually only dominated by two color gradients, but some have three or more color on their body. its other characteristic in its body, which is bigger than a betta and is more aggressive. And the third type is, as the name suggests, this betta fish is a fish that lives freely in nature. This betta fish consists of a mixture of ornamental betta fish and fighting betta fish. To distinguish between male and female betta fish, if the male betta fish is more aggressive compared to female bettas, other male bettas will immediately be put in a fighting position, while female bettas are the opposite. The fourth part, how much is the most expensive price of a betta fish? In addition to having various types, the price of betta fish also varies from 15,000 for the ordinary betta to the most expensive. Currently, the most expensive betta fish, the fish position for the most expensive betta fish is occupied by Kechen Worachai, who comes from Thailand. This fish was sold at auction for 500,000 baht, or the equivalent of 25 million. And the fifth part, when is the right time to feed your betta fish? When is the right time to feed betta fish? Betta fish should be fed every day or almost every day. 2 regular feeds at the same time interval will suffice for fish betta fish. Betta fish feed can be fish pellet, waterworms, or small water caterpillar. And the last part, who was the first to breed betta fish? This type of betta fish was first cultivated in the United States by Peter Gautner in the 1982, namely crown-tail or serrit, double-tail half moon. That's my presentation. If there are deficiencies and mistakes, please forgive me. Thank you for attention and goodbye.